Look at this. There are 2,659 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I want to give a few shout outs to my trading group. CBC, thank you so much. I'm up $13,000 this week. Your group's amazing. I made $47,000 in April because of your setups. This person's up 2,400, 1,500, 647%. This person doubled my money after a phone call that we had just yesterday. This person said, I woke up and I had 73% gains in data. Thank you. I woke up with 58% gains while I was sleeping. Another $1,000. That's $4,000 in 7 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of Link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button. If you are trying to get ridiculously rich in cryptocurrency, subscribe to this channel. I'm going to keep you updated daily on all the news that moves the markets, Bitcoin technical analysis, altcoin free setups, a ton of ways for you guys to make a ton of money in this market. Jumping right into the market today in crypto, Bitcoin at 91.40. Here we are, 12-hour chart. Same thing, different day. Buy signal. Bitcoin needs to break above 10,500. This yellow trend line breaks, expect more downside. There's a decent amount of support down here at 8,500. So again, you're basically taking it level by level. We might see 9,000, 8,800, 8,500 if this breaks to the downside. This is the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. It's real important that bulls hold this 9150, 9100 level. Possible bullish MACD cross if there's any type of move to the upside. However, on the 4-hour chart, all the major moving averages are acting as overhead resistance. And remember, they're going to push down in this price action. I've got a few people I want to give shout outs to in my trading group. Vorns on this Tezos trade, 282% gains. Next person, 84%, 106%, 75%, 68%. This person's up $17,000 in June because of the setups I posted in the group. Next person, 11 straight trades in a row in the positive, up $4,000 this month. This person, not even in the group, said I made $1,000 off $4,000 over 2 weeks just by watching his YouTube videos. You guys, this is pretty amazing stuff that we're dealing with right now in crypto. Biggest financial opportunity of our lifetimes. It's important that we make the most of it. Right? If you're sitting in some of these stale coins, possibly you want to rethink things, right? You've got people fall in love with these coins and crypto, and it becomes the worst thing that can happen to them. You know, don't get stuck. Don't hate it. Don't date it. Just trade it. QLCs, all the hype right now. There's a bunch of news coming on the 30th. Maybe there's another good run to the upside. You know, expect some type of sell-off. Remember, it's buy the hype, buy the hype, buy the hype, buy the hype. Sell the news or sell the actual event. They mentioned the QLC wallet. I talked to you guys about this with Compound, Maker, DAI, and CDAI. So a lot of big names being tossed around with QLC. Now remember, we were buying QLC back here end of May. We're up about 100% on this setup. Life-changing money. Now, it's important to know that every single technical analysis pattern out there in crypto is contingent on what Bitcoin's doing. From a macro perspective, you're going to get Bitcoin swings all the time, and these altcoins correct pretty well, but you guys have to be used to it by now. Bitcoin makes a big move, everything changes. We just have to be able to adapt. But since the end of May, QLC has meant 100% gains over time. This is another one. I'm going to give you this setup in a second. Nulls, they have an airdrop coming up on the 12th of July. Now, these airdrops play out pretty well as far as increases in the price action. They also have a Nulls-based ecosystem that's happening on June the 30th. So they're going to complete at least 20 industry solutions and build a new Nulls-based ecosystem. It's supposed to happen by the end of the month. Now, these airdrops and snapshot, they run up in most retail thinking, okay, I'm going to get the free airdrop. I'm going to get the airdrop. I'm going to hold this. I'm going to get the airdrop. I'm going to get the airdrop. And the sellers, the traders, take their money, take their profits. People lose money going into these airdrops. They're trying to buy it. The price keeps increasing. Price gets increasing. And then boom, traders take the money. That's how this market works. I'd say 99% of the time, the coins don't equate to what you could have made if you would have sold before the actual airdrop. So just remember that. Again, whiteboard it, put it on your whiteboard. Nulls airdrop coming on the 12th. This is Nulls. Of course, I posted my trading group a little bit ago and it starts running. I'm thinking I'm not going to get it out to you guys in time, and I still have to edit this video, still have to post it. So it'll be at least another hour, but you know, Nulls is still, there's a ton of upside here. This trend line breaks, game's over, right? But until then, there's some upside ahead for Nulls potentially. So you're going to buy the breakout of this falling wedge or bull flag. Okay, you're buying the breakout. It's right there too. It's right there. Earlier it was way down here at 5,300 Satoshis. Now it's jumped up about 200 Satoshis. So losing traders lose more money on their losing trades than they make on their winning trades. Trading this market is not about being right all the time. It's about selling your losers quickly, riding your winners. There's a whole ideology in crypto. I can't sell now. I would be taking a loss. That is 100% wrong. That is incorrect. I can't sell now. You better take a small loss before you take a big one. I can't sell now before you listen. Look, professional traders, stop loss gets hit, they sell quickly. Most retail doesn't even use a stop loss. They ride it all the way down here until it hurts so bad. Losing trader holds on to the position all the way down to the bottom here. All the way down to the bottom, and it hurts so bad they can't take it anymore. And then they panic sell. They panic sell when they should have sold way up here with break below major support. So just remember that. You could be wrong 50 times out of 100. You're going to risk $1 to make $2 or $3, and you could be up. Even if you flip a coin and you're wrong half the time, you could still make 150%, 200% on your money. This is not about being right all the time. It's about managing risk. I mean, yeah, you want to be in the best setups. You can't take big losses. Small losses turn into big losses real quick. This is altcoin market dominance. Altcoins have been running, and I talked to you about the green tractor beam of altcoin goodness. You guys will probably remember that. You've got this double bottom happen back here in May, okay, and then you see altcoin dominance took off. I was talking to you guys about this. Hey, we're going to get this is money inflow into the altcoins. So if this rising channel breaks, these altcoins are going to be tough to trade. I mean, this is potentially could go parabolic, but right now it's potentially something to keep an eye on as far as a break to the downside goes. This is Atom. So I talked to you guys about Atom yesterday. There's a test net that's happening on July the 27th. Look at Atom. Atom peaked out up here, 63,000 Satoshis. Double top, move to the downside. Remember that. It's that simple. Now, here we are. After a multi-month downtrend, after 6 months, something's changed. If you look at these lows, every low is lower than the previous low. Lower low, lower low, lower low. Okay, this is a downtrend. Lower lows and lower highs, right? Downtrend, 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 downtrend. Then came up and put a higher high in, but then still put in a lower low. Now has put in a higher low. Things are different. This is starting to move now. I posted in my group yesterday, and it started to take off. So most important thing is you're going to buy the breakout of this falling wedge. Double bottom. We talk about double bottoms, double tops every day. Watch this. Double bottom. If this breaks to the upside, then you got this 200 simple moving average yellow line coming in here. Look what happens when the price action breaks the 200 simple. It skyrockets. Uptrends occur when the price action's above the 200 simple. 200's like a magnet at first. You see the price action came back up, double topped, and move lower. Now you got this small, tiny little double bottom. Here's your 200. When the price action breaks above that, you'll have midterm upside, okay? And then you put this testnet date behind it, July 27th, Atom, one to watch. REQ, I gave this to you guys about a week ago. It's up 50%. Like, what was Bitcoin doing over the past week? Like, you know, like, reason why I'm not holding Bitcoin right now, like, dude, let Bitcoin take off and get 10% gains. I like 50% gains better. I'm going for the 50% gains over the 10% gains possible in Bitcoin. There might even be some downside. XVG, I gave this to you as well. I gave it to you back here at 40 or 45 Satoshis. It ran up 135%. People would say, Chris, you're not holding Bitcoin? And listen, these altcoins, like I posted this. So after these huge run-ups from these altcoins, then you pull Fibonacci retracement from here, and you're going to find the 618 fib levels. You're going to get fib bounces. Okay, so I posted the setup, got a quick 18% gains out of XVG, Verge. Okay, will it continue higher? Just have to see if you get a retest right here. But this is just kind of a short-term trading strategy. Bitcoin price may enter ultra bearish season soon. Multi-year analysis shows. Listen, I think we have a ton of support down here at 8,500. Essentially, this could be one giant bull flag. And until 8,500 breaks, it's hard to be like ultra bearish. Crypto industry now in post.com bubble territory. Listen, the amount of upside that we have in front of us is epic. Do not get frustrated by this market. If you're sitting in Bitcoin and it's not doing anything, listen, it happens. Bitcoin does this. Bitcoin goes sideways for extended periods of time. Most people FOMO into the top and then, hey, I bought at 10,000 and now I've lost 10% and it's just doing nothing, right? This market moves when you least expect it, right? That's it's designed to do. It's taxing on us mentally, right? Chainlink solutions to fuel health data system. Analysts predict link price upsurge. So this is pretty big news. So supported by South Korean government blockchain platform, Vechain is integrating Chainlink to connect with and validate off-chain patient health data. This allows doctors, researchers, and patients to easily manage and share clinical health records. Chainlink, long-term hold idea, but it's all about getting in the right time. It's not like, hey, buy Chainlink right now. XRP has been in a macro downtrend for almost 1,000 days. There's so many cryptos now that have been in a macro downtrend for 1,000 days at this point, right? We've been through it. This is XRP. Yeah, if you're holding these coins, like, it's not a fun ride when you're just falling off a cliff. This is, who wants to do this, right? For me, I don't want any part of this. I'm not a holder because of the downtrends in crypto. Okay, and then there was actually a setup that I posted, and this is not picking on XRP. This is about any crypto, right? XRP, this is a short possibility. Break below 24.55. Here you go. Break below 24.55. You know, you throw some 10x leverage here, you're up 150% on XRP short. But is XRP going to start to round higher? Where I look to accumulate these altcoins is when, or any type of like long-term, midterm idea, I want to see a long-term curvature, I want to see higher lows and higher highs. I need to see a trend change. These cryptos have to show me something different. When the price action is below the 200 simple, this yellow line, it's a downtrend. Like, until it breaks to the upside, I don't want any part of holding in these coins. Like, there is no sense in holding coins that are moving lower. Like, that doesn't, to me, I'm a frugal guy. I don't want to give my money away. You know, you don't lose money in this market. Other people take your money. Cardano to continue incentivize testnet until Shelley mainnet launch. So the Combinator hard fork has been postponed. Though progress has been positive, this Combinator hard fork, which was scheduled for activation on June 23rd, was postponed. It's thoroughly tested test network that mirrors the Shelley mainnet. So they're talking about the Shelley code release target is June the 30th. The actual hard fork, July the 29th. What we don't want to see out of ADA is this delayed. So if you get this hype, FOMO, rally, run up, and then there's a delay, you'll see a massive sell-off. So make sure, like, it's the most important thing that these projects can do is hit their dates. You've got to hit your dates. Wild week for DeFi puts Ethereum under pressure. So DeFi hits an all-time high of $1.6 billion in total value locked Ethereum network fees are now higher than those of Bitcoin. DeFi is the news. DeFi is hot, and I've talked to you guys about this. But network fees just continue to increase on Ethereum blockchain. And will Ethereum be able to handle this? You know, they're not the fastest crypto. And remember when CryptoKitties slowed down Ethereum? So it's interesting to see how DeFi shows us some vulnerabilities, some more potential vulnerabilities in Ethereum as far as the transaction speed on Ethereum blockchain. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.